Hello friends, in this video I am going to share with you how am I listening to speak in English. First of all, I want to say that I am a vegetable seller and I failed 12th class in English subject. So you can understand how difficult it is for me to learn English. But you know that nowadays English language is very important in our professional life. So I am trying to learn English. As many English teachers have said in their YouTube videos, if you really want to learn English, you must practice reading, writing, listening and speaking. In this video, I tell you how I practice these 4 ways to learn English. First, I will explain how I listening practice. Friends, according to me, listening practice is not only listen to English like we listen a music for entertainment. Here you have to listen and observe how they are making English sentence and how they are using English grammar. So in the beginning, I choose a short English story or a short English films and keep watching the same films or a story again and again. If I find a new word, I search for the Bengali meaning of that word in Google Translate. This is how I practice listening. If you like my method, you can try it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me to learn English. Thank you.